What is the capital of Denmark? Copenhagen. What is the capital of Finland? Helsinki. What is the capital of Austria? Vienna. Which city is known as the City of Cake? Scotland. Who discovered theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Border Gavaskar Trophy Test series is played between which two countries? India and Australia. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. What is the old name of Chennai? Madras. Scientific study of climate. Meteorology. Blood pressure is measured by sphygmomanometer. Air pressure is measured by barometer. Which country has no agriculture? Singapore. The state government entrusts the development work of district to District Planning Committee. A new state can be created in India by a simple majority of the parliament. Which tax is not shared between central and state government in India? Custom duty. When the governor of state can issue ordinance? Only when recess of state legislature. When Davis Cup started? 1900 BC. When Ranji Trophy started? 1933. What was the mascot of first Afro-Asian Games? Sheru. When did the Hockey India League start? 2013.